What's up, guys? I'm Carson Brown. We're out here at the TDS Enduro. It is the Moto Day, and just got signed up. Course is looking sweet. I'm pumped. Got my buddy Jaden here. Dude, just good vibes, good people, and yeah, we're about to fire it up and get this thing on going. I'm kidding. I ordered some tires. None of them came in time, and so we've been borrowing and begging different tires and mooses and all that stuff, but they were all different sizes, so we were cutting around trying to make it work, but I think we got a pretty good combo going on now, so I'm stoked.
Just looking at the competition, you know, we're second place.
Is that guy?
Yeah. I hope he doesn't beat me, because that's going to be real embarrassing. The only time he'll be ahead.
Yeah, the numbers don't mean within 4 miles of a course, I'm going to brake check you so hard.
I'm going to hit him so hard.
We're just winging it. That's how we roll. Got Jaden. He's concerned on the bead on his tire. Yeah, he worked on my tire all day. So we'll see. Go, dude. What do you think? I had a blast, man. The course was sweet. It was kind of fast and flowy, which they kept saying like this half of it is. The second half over there is gonna be a lot gnarlier, but did good. Made a couple major mistakes that did turn around and get back on course, but that's how it rolls sometimes when you're just sending it.
Who smoked him? Carson Brown.
I could see him, and then like I could see him at the end, and then he must have just put like he got me by like 15 seconds.
Carson Brown beat you.
No, I was catching them because I could see both you guys.
feeling? That was terrible. Great. Note to self, kids, I'm not a hard enduro rider. That was sad. What did we sit down here?
You were 12, you were 12:05.
Damn, dude. I suck in that last section.
Yeah, you screwed this up.
Oh, dude, I was there forever. And I was like, okay, don't freak out. When I get to the next one, all sideways, and then I'm like, all right, that's cool.
So we're gonna run all these guys pretty much all the way through. Give the spectators a chance to get down to the other side of the mountain. So you're probably gonna have a pretty good break. I'd say at least 25 minutes.
So I can let him by.
Yeah.
And then follow him if I want to. I can just block the hell out of him.
And go really slow.
And go really slow.
So currently, I'm 22 seconds back on Carson. He thinks that if I pass him, then he'll have 22 seconds to lose on me. So if I pass him and he's 22 seconds behind me, he thinks he still gets the win. But if I pass him, I'm 30 seconds ahead of him.
Explain the gap.
Yeah, like it's like if I pass him, then I have 8 seconds on him no matter what, because it's 30 minus 22. But he thinks it's when I pass him, that's when the time starts ticking. Ready?
Yeah. I have no idea what to expect at all. We got Jaden behind us, and I think it's gonna be a battle all the way. We're gonna see. I was like, did I break my shoulder or the tree? Oh, nope, just the bike. We hit a tree. I think the old GoPro got it. There might have been a lot of words said.
Still got the dub though?
Yeah, we got the dub.
I fell hard.
I don't know.
The
There
uphill,
was some
I had it down to like
weird
50,
where I was just
10.
like ribbing down.
Went the wrong
I
way.
couldn't tell.
I had it. I caught him, dude. I caught him, and I could see him
in test street?
in the straightaway, and I immediately just fucking dumped it. I was like telling myself, like, all I gotta do is finish right behind him. All I gotta do.
Yeah, first experience out here at TDS. We had a blast. We had the Beta 252 stroke, and dude, this has been so cool. The vibes are awesome. I mean, it's mountain bikes and dirt bikes, and kind of a good combination. And it's like one big family out here. The course was sick. Like, I mean, everybody was kind of ripping, so everybody was on their toes, and I mean, pushing a little too hard sometimes. But it was good. We all had fun, and big thanks to Jaden. He was getting my tire on there right in between motos and everything, so couldn't happen without him.
First place, Carson Brown with a time of 102.50.
All right, can I get a round of applause for our 2025 TDS Sprint Enduro podium?